Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. In last session we have completed practice set 3.4. Now today we will start with similarity of triangles. Now similarity of triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if first angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. And second, AB divided by PQ equal to BC divided by QR equal to AC divided by PR, then triangle ABC and triangle PQR are called similar triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar is written as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Always remember, first, if corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Second, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. Let us start practice set 3.5. Question number first. If triangle XYZ similar to triangle LMN, write the corresponding angles of the two triangles and also write the ratio of corresponding sides. Solution. Triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN. It is given angle S is congruent to angle L. Angle Y is congruent to angle M and angle Z is congruent to angle N. By corresponding angles, of similar triangles. Therefore, XY divided by LM equal to YZ divided by MN equal to XZ divided by LN. By corresponding sides of similar triangle. Hence proof. Question number second. In triangle XYZ, XY equal to 4 cm, YZ equal to 6 cm and XZ equal to 5 cm. If triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR and PQ equal to 8 cm, then find the length of remaining sides of triangle PQR. X, Y, Z, PQR. XY equal to 4 centimeter, YZ equal to 6 centimeter and XZ equal to 5 centimeter. PQ equal to 8 centimeter. Find the length of remaining sides of triangle PQR. Means QR and PR की वैल्यू हमें यहाँ पर फाइंड करनी है. Solution. Triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. It is given. Therefore, XY divided by PQ, XY divided by PQ, YZ divided by QR equal to YZ divided by QR equal to XZ divided by PR by corresponding sides of similar triangle. Of similar triangles. यहाँ पर हमें सिर्फ ट्रायंगल XYZ के जो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स हैं ट्रायंगल PQR में सिर्फ उनका हमें रेशो लिखना है. जैसे XY के करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड कौन सी PQ है तो XY डिवाइडेड बाय PQ. देन उसके बाद YZ अपॉन QR मीन्स YZ की करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड कौन सी है QR तो हमने YZ डिवाइडेड बाय QR लिखा. अब यहाँ पर देखिए XZ की करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड है PR तो XZ डिवाइडेड बाय PR. We know that XY equal to 4 divided by PQ equal to 8 equal to YZ equal to 6 divided by QR equal to XZ equal to 5 divided by PR. It is denoted by first equation. Now 4 by 8 इक्वल टू 6 बाय QR. अब यहाँ पर हमें दो को लेकर दोनों साइड्स फाइंड करनी. सबसे पहले हम QR की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे तो इन दोनों को लेते हैं. इन दोनों को हमने लिया. बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 4 इंटू QR इक्वल टू 8 इंटू 6. देयरफॉर QR इक्वल टू 8 इंटू 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8 equal to 2 into 6 equal to 12. Therefore, QR equal to 12 units, 12 centimeter. Second, 4 by 8. अब सेकेंड के लिए हमें PR की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो हम 4 by 8 तो लेंगे इसे क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमें दोनों की वैल्यू फाइंड है. न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों की वैल्यू फाइंड है तो हम इसे तो लेंगे सही. साथ में अब हम लेंगे 5 by PR. By cross multiplication 4 into PR equal to 5 into 8. 4 into PR equal to 5 into 8. Therefore PR equal to 5 into 8 divided by 4. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8 equal to 5 into 2. 5 into 2 equal to 10. Therefore PR equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, QR equal to 12 centimeter and PR equal to 10 centimeter. Answer. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon.